SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear kids. I'm back for you people here again. And today I'll tell you one new and interesting topic, that is ascending and descending. What is ascending and what is descending? I hope that you are getting crazy to know about that. So get ready with me to learn the same. First is our ascending order. Students, ascending order means हम ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है? Means small, then big, then bigger, then biggest. Clear? The same concept is here. Ascending means smallest to the biggest. Means the small duckling, then rabbit, then peacock, then rhino, and at the end we have the longest animal, that is giraffe. So if you will see, हम ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. In the numbers also we will follow the same thing. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. As you can see, the position of the numbers are increasing here. Okay? So this is our concept of ascending order. When the numbers are arranged from smallest to the biggest, then they are said to be in ascending order. जब हम नंबर्स को स्मॉलेस्ट से बिगेस्ट की तरफ अरेंज करते हैं तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ascending order, right? So these are the numbers basically that you have to arrange in ascending order. First one I'll do for you and other one you will do by yourself. So check it carefully. Our first smallest number is here, number 5. And our next big number is 6. Then number 7. Then number 8. And then number 9. Clear? So this is our ascending order. Okay? Next, we are going to start our next topic, that is descending order. My dear kids, I told you that in ascending order हमको ऊपर की तरफ जाना होता है. सबसे पहले हम लोग स्मॉल नंबर का यूज करते हैं. बताया था ना आपको मैंने. In the same way, when we are going to start our descending order, इसी तरह से जब हम अपना descending order start कर रहे हैं, हमें just opposite कंसेप्ट को फॉलो करना है. और वो क्या है? फर्स्ट वी विल चूज द बिगेस्ट नंबर. मींस हमको अब नीचे की तरफ मूव करना है. स्टेयर्स देखी है ना आप लोगों ने सबने? स्टेयर्स पे हम चढ़ते भी हैं और उतरते भी हैं. मींस जब हम स्टेयर्स से नीचे आएंगे, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड अ descending order. First, we need to understand the given picture. In this picture, we are having the big animal, then small, then smaller, and then at next we have the smallest one. ठीक है? तो descending order में हम यही करते हैं. सबसे पहले big number, then small number, then smaller, then smallest. Okay? In the same way, we will understand the concept of number also. Number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and then number 1 at the end. When the numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest, then they are said to be in descending order. जब numbers को हम biggest से smallest की तरफ लगाते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या कह देते हैं? Descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order by writing them in the blanks. अब आपको क्या करना है? Numbers को arrange करना है descending order में. For that, we need to choose the biggest number first. Then the smaller number is 6. The next will be here 3. then number 2, and at the end we will write here number 1. Okay? In this manner, we will complete our this session, and you people will do the practice session also. Okay? And this is our practice session. Write the numbers in ascending order. So, for ascending order, we need to choose the smallest number first of all, that is number 2. Then we will write here number 4, then number 5, then number 6, then number 7. In this manner, we will complete our ascending order. Rest of the question, my dear students, you will do by yourself for the practice. Next is write the numbers in descending order. Now we have to write the given numbers in descending order. So for that we need to choose the biggest number first of all, that is 9 here. Then the smaller one 8, then 7, then 6, then 5. Okay? So this is our descending order, and you will do the practice of the given questions by yourself to make yourself perfect in the topic ascending and descending. Okay? In this class we will learn this much only because topic is new for you people. So we will start our next topic in the next class. Meanwhile, keep on learning, stay healthy. Bye-bye.